Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which font PowerPoint reports is missing and why it matters. Open the slide and note the font name exactly. Then make sure the font is installed for your account on Windows or Mac OS. Installation for another user won't help. If you don't have the file, locate the original. TTF or OTF and the license so you can legally install it. Once you have the file and permissions, proceed to install immediately. Now install the font. On Windows, right-click and choose Install for all users if available. On Mac OS, use Fontbook and ensure the font is enabled. After installation, restart PowerPoint so it reloads system fonts. If the font still misbehaves, clear the OS font cache or reboot to force a refresh. Then open the presentation and use PowerPoint's Replace Fonts tool to map the missing name to the newly installed font. Finish by embedding fonts to preserve layout for other users. In File Options, save, check Embed Fonts in the file and choose embedding all characters if editing is needed. When sharing with recipients who may not have the font, export a PDF as a reliable fallback. If text still looks wrong, make sure the font file isn't corrupted, uninstall and reinstall it, or choose a compatible substitute and reflow text. If needed, contact the font vendor for a verified file or licensing help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.